Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Samsung Galaxy M55. If you're using Samsung Galaxy M55 and now you want to block ads on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for Google settings, select it. Here select all services and here just scroll down and you will get the ads option here. Just tap on it and here just select delete advertising ID, then select it again. In this way you can easily delete your advertising ID, and after that just go back and here the usage and diagnostics, select it, and here you must have to disable the setting by tapping on this. In this way you can easily block ads on your device, but there's a second way you can easily try that. Just go back and here's the main settings. In main settings, just look for security and privacy. Select it and here's the more privacy settings. Tap on it and here you will get the both same options which we have just disabled. Just open ads and here delete your advertising ID which we have just deleted. Now go back and here use it and diagnostics. You must have to disable the setting by tapping on this just like this, so that's how you can easily block pop-up ads from your Samsung Galaxy M55. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.